we thought it was a good idea to show you the benefits of installing a half halyard on your rig whenever you have furling sails, like a Furling Genoa or a furling mainsail. One of the big benefits is that you don't have all the halyard in the cockpit. I'm now going to hoist the Genoa, and then you'll see that we have a whole load of halyard sitting in the cockpit doing nothing for the whole season. We'll be back in a few seconds because we're now going to hoist the Genoa halyard, and you'll see how much rope we have in the cockpit. So we're getting close to the top. There's a little bit more load. We just want to get the tension right. Okay, now the Genoa is hoisted, we've now got to get rid of all this halyard, and we've got to try and get rid of it in a tidy fashion. So I'm just going to get rid of the halyard. Bear with me a second because there's a lot of line, and this line is now going to have to stay in the cockpit for the season while our Genoa is sitting on the furling unit, and it's actually untidy. I don't like extra lines. I will store it just here. Out the way. However, there is another concern that I have seen on many cruising boats. You get people coming on your boat who aren't familiar with the boat, and what happens is they accidentally release the rope clutch that the halyard is on, loosening the halyard, which causes halyard wrap, and then you've got more problems on board. So let's try and get rid of that problem with a half halyard. So we're replacing that full halyard with a half halyard. This is a half halyard. It's much lighter, it's much stronger, and it has a lot less stretch than our original halyard. And this will live permanently in the mast with your sail hoisted. So we've hoisted the Genoa with the half halyard. The half halyard is now here, and that half halyard is going to be connected to this car. We will then tension the halyard with another rope, pulling that down, and it will lock itself into position. Then we remove this other part of the rope, the half halyard is fixed here, and that's it. So I'm just disconnecting the tail of the half halyard from the rope that we hoisted the sail on. The half halyard is attached to the car. The other part of the halyard, which we're going to remove, is attached to the bottom of the car. I'm now just going to tension up the half halyard to get the correct tension on the Genoa luff. So the Genoa luff is trimmed. Now we can remove the other part of the halyard from the car. This rope is going to be removed totally from the boat, and all we're left with is the half halyard sitting here on the mast.